Introducing the brand new Bobcat B900 Backhoe Loader, a durable, reliable, and an efficient backhoe loader launched by the global compact equipment leader, Bobcat. Service points like air filter, hydraulic oil level gauge, and engine oil level, and easily accessible at the ground level. Kirloskar engines are renowned for their long service interval and low maintenance cost. The battery is placed at the sides which are relatively less exposed to heat and conveniently located, making it easy to access. Greasing points are located in positions which can be easily accessed. The wait is over. No matter where you take your machine for work, our wide network will be there to support you. Best-in-class digging depth, optimized design for fuel efficiency, best performance with higher digging forces, comfortable operating cabin, advanced hydraulics system, total cost of ownership advantage. Bobcat B900 Backhoe Loader. The next big thing by Bobcat. Bobcat B900 Backhoe Loader. The next big thing by Bobcat.